One carcass, dozen of vultures, and no rules. This is what happens when vultures find a carcass. In minutes, it's a feeding frenzy. As one tear breaks the stillness, powerful beaks rip through the flesh, opening what others can't. Now the feeding frenzy begins. White-rumped vultures move very fast as they tear, swallow, and lick away every trace. Efficiency over elegance, survival above all. It's not about looking good, it's about getting the food. It's not about the way you get your food, it's about getting the food. They target the weakest point first, where the body yields most easily. A griffon vultures works carefully, opening the ashes, feeding where resistance is lowest. For a moment, the chaos slows down. Heads rise, eyes scan, but the hunger never leaves. Then comes the cinereous vulture, larger, slower, and deliberate. It doesn't rush, it pulls, strips, and works deeper than the rest. Now only one tougher piece remains. Several birds crowd the bones, prying, twisting, and extracting whatever that's left. The cinereous vulture continues, focused and precise, pulling every bit of muscle from the bone. At this stage, nothing is overlooked. Every fragment matters. But even now, competition persists. A white-rumped vulture attempts a quick theft. Bold move, but not bold enough. The cinereous vulture stands its ground, driving it away. Crows circle and dart in, only to be chased off again. The feeding frenzy fades into silence. High in the trees, they rest, still watchful, waiting once more for the final meal.